Hey, my loves, today I am going to show you how to make these delicious stewed black beans, Haitian style. This is very easy, absolutely delicious, of course, with some rice. Okay, if you follow this technique, I guarantee you'll have some nice, delicious, rich black beans that will go delicious with your rice and any side meat with chicken or what have you. This is just good. So just stay tuned. I'll be back. So my loves, I have my beans, black beans right here. Now, I took about a cup and a quarter, cup and a third of some dried beans. I didn't soak these overnight, but the quick way to do this is you take your beans, put it in some water and boil it until it comes to a rapid boil. Let it boil for about like 5 minutes. Turn off the heat, cover it, and just let it soak in there for at least 2 hours. Now this is a quick way to soak your beans and so forth. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to drain this, clean them again, and start them in a new pot of water. And then you're going to see what else we're going to do to start our black beans. And I'm just going to rinse them out. That there's no pieces in there that just don't look right. So right now I'm just rinsing these again, and knowing that these beans are all out there. This is some of the shelling. And by pre-soaking your beans, it just makes it easier for your beans to cook. And it also takes off any of that extra, beans can be very gassy, but black beans are very good for you. Gag. They are very, very good for you. Very good for you. Okay. I'm going to put my beans in a pot. Okay, at this point you could add, if you want to add beef broth or chicken broth, you can. I'm just going to use some water. And I'm doing this just for y'all that probably do not have any broth. So I'm going to add a good amount of water to this. Okay, make this nice and simple for you. This is Haitian style, y'all. Okay, and I'm gonna just chop that in half here. Throw that in there. So I'm gonna add a good amount of garlic here, because I love garlic. A little bit. Some nice thyme. Actually, it's lemon thyme, but I'm going to add to this. Add some fresh oregano, or you could use dried oregano. I'm also going to use 1 large bay leaf, and I'm going to put in a smoked. You could use smoked turkey or smoked pork neck bone, which I'm going to use in here. And I'm going to put this on the stove and let this do its business on medium heat. And we're going to cover this because our meat and so forth is going to cook along with this. Okay, and we're going to let this cook on medium heat for at least a good hour or so, or until the beans start getting tender. Okay. We're going to check our beans. Okay. Let me check these beans here. Yep, they're soft. I'm going to take some of those beans. What you could do first, guys, of course, remove anything. If you want to take out the thyme, you can. All that other stuff. The oregano. Okay, you can usually fish them out. Okay. But the bay leaf, I'm going to leave it in there. Just leave some of those. I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to take some of the beans, like at least half of them, along with some of that garlic and onion. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to put some of this through the sieve. Okay. Blend it. I'm going to put it through my little sieve right here. Okay. And this is going to catch any parts of it, because I want a nice smooth beans here. So you get all that. Okay, and you're going to be left with some of that pulp. If you want to cook in there, that's fine. But this is how I remember, as you can see. Okay. All right, and we're gonna let that cook. Uncovered and let it reduce so it could thicken. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna show you something too that's gonna add extra flavor to this, okay? I'm just gonna show you something. I'm gonna take a little bit of oil. I'm gonna get that nice and hot. I'm gonna add a little green seasoning. Some onion, a little more onion. Because this adds extra flavor, I'm gonna add a little bit more garlic, and this is going to add that extra flavor in here. A little black pepper. A little chicken bouillon. Now the salt and pepper you add into taste, according to you. Okay. Okay, I want to do this until the onion starts browning. Okay. And you're going to put it right in here. Okay. I'm going to add a habanero or scotch bonnet. Okay. vinegar, a pinch of sugar. And my loves, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Let's press that like button so we can get the algorithm going. And press that notification bell so you can be notified of all my videos and let everybody know Jackie's cooking. Now, guys, I'm adding some butter towards the end to add some extra richness and body to our beans. And I'm just going to cook it now uncovered on medium heat for about 5 more minutes, and we'll get ready to serve our delicious beans and dish, what have you. Oh God, yeah, what have you. You know that makes no sense. But anyway, so of course I had to serve this up with some white rice. Okay, and now we're serving up our beans. Okay, and you could just eat this by itself too. You could eat the beans just by itself, or you could just eat it with the rice, or you could have it as a whole complete meal. Okay, because beans and rice make a whole complete protein meal, believe it or not. All right, now I got some baked chicken that I made, of course, topping with some onions and some of that gravy. And look at that, guys. Please go ahead and try this recipe. Let me know what you think. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, and look out for my other upcoming videos. And my loves, just check me out. And I want to say thank you to everybody who's been supporting my channel. I appreciate you all. And I want you to do 3 things for me, and that is eat, love, and pray. Until next time.